Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Quench Life. Today I'll be doing an African recipe called Egusi. There's many ways to cook it, and today I'm going to cook it the white version without sauce. So we're just going to be using stock. If you check out the corner below, there is a little video that shows all the ingredients that I have used in this recipe. So garlic, egusi, mushrooms, spinach, mussels that have been deshelled, spices, which are crayfish, curry, dry pepper, bay leaf. There's the tilapia fish. There's beef stock and chicken stock. And also I did add fish sauce, so that's pretty new, which can be found at an Asian grocery store. And I did try it with smoked paprika and vegetable oil. Next, you want to put your oil into the pot, let it heat up, and then add your garlic. Make sure your heat is on medium because garlic does burn if it's too high. Next, I'm going to be adding spices, and then you want to add water so it doesn't stick to the pan and burn. To that base I added 2 cups. So altogether, I added 4 cups of water. Next, you want to add your egusi, which is now a very thick paste. You want to take a spoon and dollop it into the stock. You want to make sure you get them all in their own sections. And once they're all in there, do not stir, because then you'll be disturbing the process of egusi. Once that's all in there, you put the top on and you let it cook for 20 minutes. So now that the 20 minutes is up, we can stir around the egusi since it's fully cooked. And you can see like they cooked in groups, which can be broken up even more. So now I'm adding my mussels to cook in it, get that flavor going. And I'll also add in my mushrooms that have been washed and strained of the water. So that will also soak up the flavor from the egusi. And next I will add some more water, about a half of a cup of water. So I'm just stirring it around so that all the ingredients are fully in there. I'm going to take out this bay leaf. We don't need it anymore. It served its purpose. And I'll be adding in my tilapia fish, which also has been cleaned and dried. So after the tilapia fish is in the pot, make sure you submerge it so that it fully cooks. And we're going to keep the lid on there for about 10 minutes. You can now see that the tilapia is also fully cooked, so I'm just going to break that up now so that I can blend in with the egusi. And you'll know it's fully cooked because it's so easy to break up into other pieces. You should have no issues. If you're having issues breaking it up, then it needs to cook for longer until it's all white. You should see no pink spots in your egusi. So now I'm adding the spinach that was squeezed of any liquid that was left. Squeezing your spinach is good for anything you're adding it to, because whatever you add it to, it will soak up the ingredients and taste even better, as opposed to adding it rinsed with the water still in it. So I'm just mixing it in, stirring it around. And you want to add some more water, another half cup, and mix it in, stir it around. And at this point you want to add any spices that you feel as though you need to add some more of, like salt or pepper. Added some Adobe, and a little later on I added some fish sauce to make the fish taste come out more. Be careful when adding fish sauce because it does have, I would say, medium salty taste to it. It's only strong if you add too much. So there I'm doing a few squirts, which is probably about one tablespoon of fish sauce. So I'm going to cook that for 5 more minutes, put the top off, and then your egusi is ready to be served. Egusi can be served with pounded yam or eba, which is a gari with hot water mixed together. And that's all I have for you folks. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy!